Spring is here and your garden is still bare. Your neighbor's yard is already exploding with color. Their flower beds look like something straight out of a magazine, and there you are, staring at a patch of empty dirt, wondering where you went wrong. Well, the truth is, you did not go wrong. You just need the right flowers. Flowers that do not make you wait 3 months just to see a single bloom. Flowers that reward your effort fast. And that is exactly what this video is all about. Welcome to Golden Age Gardening. My name is William Scott, and today we're counting down 11 fast-growing flowers that will fill your spring garden with bold, beautiful color in no time at all. Whether you're a first-time gardener or someone who has been digging in the soil for decades, these picks will transform your outdoor space faster than you ever thought possible. Stick with us through all 11 because the last few on this list are real hidden gems that most gardeners overlook completely. And before we get into it, if you find this helpful, please hit that like button right now. It truly helps this channel reach more gardeners just like you. Subscribe to Golden Age Gardening so you never miss a new video, and drop a comment below telling us which season you love gardening in most. We read every single one. Now let us get into the flowers. Fast-growing flower number 1, Maragolds, Tagetes. Let us start with one of the most reliable performers in the entire gardening world. Marigolds can go from seed to full bloom in as little as 45 to 50 days. That's less than 2 months for a garden full of warm, cheerful color in shades of gold, orange, and deep red. They thrive in full sun and do surprisingly well in poor, dry soil. You don't even need to fertilize them heavily. One of the biggest bonuses with marigolds is that they naturally repel certain pests, making them excellent companion plants near your vegetables. If you want maximum speed, start seeds indoors about 8 weeks before your last frost date, then transplant them outside once the cold has passed. Deadhead blooms regularly, and they will keep flowering right up until the first frost of autumn. Few flowers give you this much reward for so little effort. Fast-growing flower number 2, Nasturtium, Tropaeolum majus. Nasturtiums are one of the fastest bloomers on this entire list. Under the right conditions, they can go from seed to flower in as little as 35 to 40 days. That is almost unbelievable for a plant this beautiful. Their rounded leaves create a lush, cascading look that softens garden edges and fills in gaps almost instantly. The blooms come in warm, vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow. They grow happily in poor soil. In fact, overly rich soil makes them produce more leaves than flowers, so skip the heavy fertilizing. They also deter aphids and other pests from your edible plants nearby. As an added bonus, every part of the nasturtium is edible. The flowers have a peppery flavor and look stunning in salads or as a garnish. For any gardener who wants fast results with zero fuss, nasturtiums belong in your garden this spring. Fast-growing flower number 3, Zenia. Zenia spp. Zinnias are among the most popular fast-growing flowers for a very good reason. They work. Bright, bold, and incredibly easy to grow, zinnias begin blooming within 6 to 8 weeks of planting. Their upright growth habit and wide range of colors, from fiery reds and hot pinks to creamy pastels, make them perfect for adding structure and vibrancy to any garden bed. They love full sun and warm temperatures, so wait until after your last frost to direct sow them outdoors. Zinnias also attract butterflies in large numbers, adding movement and life to your garden throughout the season. Deadhead the fading blooms regularly, and you will get a continuous show of color from early summer all the way into fall. If you want a single flower that does it all, color, speed, pollinators, and cutting garden potential, zinnias are your answer. If this video is helping you, please share it with a fellow gardener. It costs nothing and means the world to us here at Golden Age Gardening. Fast-growing flower number 4, Cosmos. Cosmos bipinnatus. Cosmos is a soft, romantic flower that feels almost effortless to grow. Its feathery, fern-like foliage and delicate daisy-like blooms create a light, airy look in the garden that makes even brand-new plantings feel established and full. Cosmos begins blooming within 6 to 8 weeks of sowing from seed, and it can reach 2 to 4 feet tall in a single growing season. Directly sow the seeds outdoors after the danger of frost is past, and do not cover them with too much soil. They need light to germinate well. The key thing to know about the Cosmos is that it actually prefers poorer, drier soil. Rich, fertilized beds cause it to grow lots of foliage with fewer flowers. Water moderately, deadhead regularly, and it will keep producing blooms right up until the first frost. Cosmos is also a wonderful self-seeder, meaning it may come back on its own next spring without you doing a thing. Fast-growing flower number 5, Galardia.
Galardia pulchella, also known as firewheel or Indian blanket flower, is one of the most underrated fast-growing flowers available to home gardeners. Seeds germinate in just 7 to 14 days in warm soil, and plants typically burst into full bloom within 6 to 8 weeks of sowing. The flowers themselves are stop-shopping, bright rings of red, orange, and yellow on daisy-like blooms that seem to glow in the sunlight. Galardia grows well across a huge range of hardiness zones, from Zone 2 all the way to Zone 10, and it thrives in full sun with dry to average soil conditions. It is highly drought-tolerant once established, making it perfect for low-water gardens. Pollinators absolutely love it. Bees, butterflies, and even seed-loving birds are drawn to its blooms and seed heads. If you are looking for a flower that is bold, fast, tough, and wildlife-friendly, Galardia deserves a prime spot in your spring garden. Fast-growing flower number 6, calendula, or pot marigold. Calendula is one of those flowers that somehow never gets the credit it deserves. Its warm shades of orange, yellow, and gold start appearing in the garden within just 6 to 8 weeks of sowing from seed, and it handles light frost better than almost any other blooming annual. That makes it ideal for early spring planting when temperatures are still unpredictable. Calendula prefers cool weather and full sun, and it performs best in average, well-drained soil without a lot of competition from aggressive neighboring plants. One of its most appealing qualities is that the petals are completely edible and can be tossed into salads for a beautiful splash of color. As temperatures rise in summer, calendula naturally slows down, but if you deadhead regularly and keep it cool, it will continue performing far longer than you might expect. It is a wonderful choice for both ornamental beds and kitchen gardens alike. Fast-growing flower number 7, Snapdragon, or Antirrhinum majus. Snapdragons are cool season champions that bring incredible color and texture to the spring garden. They produce tall stalks loaded with dozens of individual blooms in nearly every color imaginable: pink, red, orange, yellow, white, purple, and even bicolors. Start seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date, and these plants can bloom from April onwards if conditions are right. With regular deadheading, snapdragons will continue flowering until the heat of summer arrives and potentially return again in the cooler weather of early fall. They prefer well-drained but consistently moist soil and do well both in garden beds and containers. Snapdragons also attract bumblebees specifically. Only bees heavy enough to pry open the bloom can access the pollen inside, making them an excellent and targeted pollinator plant. They are deer-resistant, which is always a welcome bonus.
Fast-growing flower number 8, Tickseed, or Coreopsis. Tickseed is a gardener's best friend when it comes to dependable, long-lasting spring color. This perennial bloomer establishes quickly, and many varieties begin flowering within just a few months of planting. Its cheerful daisy-like blooms come in shades of bright yellow, golden orange, and even bicolor pink and yellow combinations, depending on the variety. Tickseed is incredibly low maintenance once it finds its footing. It tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil without complaint. It works beautifully in meadow-style gardens, pollinator beds, and along sunny borders. One of its best qualities is that it blooms for an exceptionally long time, often from late spring all the way through to early autumn. It also spreads gradually over the years, filling in gaps in the garden without becoming invasive. For gardeners who want a flower that keeps coming back reliably with minimal attention, Tickseed is a top-tier choice every single time. Do not forget to subscribe to Golden Age Gardening and hit the notification bell so you are the first to know when new gardening videos go live every week. Fast-growing flower number 9, Stokes Aster. Native to the southeastern United States, Stokes Aster is a charming perennial that produces stunning blue, purple, or white flowers in late spring. What makes it stand out among fast growers is that even before its blooms appear, the lance-shaped leaves that form a basal rosette at ground level give the garden a neat, interesting look.
Once it is established, Stokes Aster is extremely low maintenance and very tolerant of heat and drought. It grows best in full sun with well-drained soil and is particularly suited to gardeners in warmer climates who struggle to find perennials that genuinely perform well in the heat. The blooms attract butterflies and are excellent for cutting, making them a versatile addition to any garden. Over time, the clumps expand and fill in beautifully, so a single planting rewards you for many seasons to come.
Fast-growing flower number 10, Bee Blossom, Gara Lindheimeri. Bee blossom is a fast-growing, sun-loving perennial that adds a sense of graceful movement to any garden space. In spring, slender, arching flower stalks rise several feet above the foliage, carrying small, white-pink flowers that appear to float and dance in the breeze. This airy, meadow-like quality makes bee blossom particularly stunning when planted in large drifts or alongside other textured perennials. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil and is highly tolerant of both heat and drought once established. For continuous color, deadhead the flower stalks in midsummer to encourage a second flush of blooms in early fall. Bee blossom also attracts hummingbirds and butterflies, adding an extra layer of life and movement to the garden. It is the kind of plant that looks effortlessly beautiful and sophisticated without requiring much from you at all. Fast-growing flower number 11, Baby Snapdragon, Linaria maracana. Also known as toadflax, baby snapdragon is one of the most exciting additions to this list and one that many gardeners have never tried. Seeds germinate in as little as 10 to 14 days, and plants begin blooming within 6 to 8 weeks of planting, making them one of the absolute fastest performers available. The blooms are jewel-toned and vibrant, coming in shades of purple, pink, yellow, red, and white, and they carry an elegant, delicate appearance similar to traditional snapdragons, but with a lighter, more whimsical feel. Baby snapdragons are cool-season annuals that perform best in spring before the heat of summer sets in, making them ideal for filling early-season gaps in the garden. They're deer-resistant, relatively drought-tolerant once established, and suitable for growing across nearly all climate zones. Plant them near the front of a border where their small but striking blooms can be appreciated up close. This little flower consistently impresses and deserves far more attention than it currently gets.
And there you have it, 11 fast-growing flowers that will bring quick, beautiful color to your spring garden without making you wait all season to enjoy the results. From the blazing, bold heads of Galardia and Maragolds to the soft, romantic sway of Cosmos and Bee Blossom, every single one of these flowers earns its place in the garden. Whether you're planting from seed this week or heading to the nursery this weekend to grab some starter plants, the most important thing is to simply get started. A garden planted today, even imperfectly, will always be more rewarding than a perfect plan that never leaves the notebook. Mix and match these flowers across your beds for color that starts early and keeps going strong. Pair fast annuals like nasturtiums and calendula with dependable perennials like Tickseed and Stokes Aster, and you will have a garden that offers something beautiful in every single season. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It genuinely helps more gardeners find this content. Share this video with someone in your life who loves gardening or who is just getting started. Subscribe to Golden Age Gardening if you have not already, and leave a comment below telling us which flower from this list you are most excited to plant. William Scott and the whole Golden Age Gardening team will be right here, ready with more garden advice, plant guides, and seasonal tips to help you grow something wonderful. Until next time, keep your hands in the soil and your garden growing.